It's another Wednesday. Let's see what's in the shop. Behind me, we'll start with an F-150. This one just got ceramic coated. I think the window's tinted also. Before every coating, we always do a polish to remove any light swirl marks, scratches, things like that. And sometimes we do full paint corrections, multi-stage polishing. Most new cars benefit really, really well from just one stage, just like this Jeep. This one's polished and ready to be coated. You can see the reflection of the lights. There's no micro scratches, no swirl marks. There's an Escalade. This one's getting a full PPF wrap. Ceramic coating, window tint, ceramic interior coating, and windshield protection. This is for our friend Jeff. They're almost done with the PPF wrap. The window tint has been knocked out, so we're making a lot of progress on that one. And then we have the Trans Am. So this was a full PPF wrap, ceramic coating, window tint on the sides. I don't think it's coated yet, and it's wrapped. All the badging is put back on. So that's something that we do here at Blackout that a lot of shops don't. We take your badges off and go underneath them and then reapply the badges. Some shops will just trim around that, sometimes by hand, and oftentimes cutting your paint when they do that because they don't know what they're doing. We take them off and go under them whenever possible. The only time we don't do that is like Ferrari. They're bolted from the back of the bumper, and risk reward. No use ripping the back bumper off your Ferrari to save a little seam. Then we have a CT SV, CT5V, whatever these are called now. You guys have seen this for a couple of weeks. It's a manual transmission, got a full PPF wrap, window tint all the way around, tail lights tinted, and we're gonna be doing a coating on that right now. That's why the jack's here. We do a wheels off as well. A lot of people don't do that. So some differentiators between our competitors. We don't just do the face of your wheels or skip your wheels altogether. We take them off, we do the barrel, we do the brake caliper, all of that stuff. Behind that is a Silverado High Country. This one's getting a chrome delete with vinyl. So the grille pieces, the pieces on the side, the door handles, the mirrors, and that lower bumper piece are all getting blacked out with 3M 2080 gloss black vinyl. Outside, we have a couple up here, or a couple back here, and a couple up front. One is the excavator for our friend Mike. That thing is blacked out. We do a decent amount of construction equipment. That one came from our friends over at Cleveland Brothers. And then we have a truck from our friend Nick. PPF on the front end. You can see our QC process is underway. PPF is done. It's getting a ceramic coating as well, so that one's coming up next. Up front, we got my Hellcat. This one was at the Pittsburgh Auto Show, so now it's just here to get cleaned up before I take it home. And then we have, what a beautiful car, a Spider RS. This is basically a GT4 RS with a convertible top, Boxster body instead of the Cayman, which is the same platform, of course. Full 10 mil paint protection film wrap, window tint. You can see the tint is done. We did the side windows and then the front windshield with the light tint. It's getting a ceramic coating inside and out, and we're gonna be blacking out the marker lights, doing some vinyl in the Spider RS up on the front lip. Let's see what's happening in the much warmer Florida and Pittsburgh.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is this 2021 Dodge Durango. This got a full paint correction, 4-year ceramic coating, and tint on the 2 front windows and the top of the windshield. Next up, we got the boss's car. This is the conclusion of the auto show. So we have Josh's Gallardo, his GT3 in the back, then a few other cars that many of you likely saw at the auto show over the weekend. This is a Cybertruck, obviously. It went from stainless steel to matte black. So it got a full body wrap, 4-year coating, and tint on the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Next up is a Ranger Raptor. This is a completed ceramic coating. We tinted the 2 front windows on this vehicle about a month and a half ago, and the customer decided to come back in to get the vehicle polished out and get a ceramic coating on it. Next in line for some paint protection film is this Dodge Ram. This is going to be getting our track package, so everything from that chrome body line on the doors down along with the front of the vehicle. We're also tinting the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. And next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this Volvo. This XC90 is getting the 2 front windows done. We did that yesterday to match the back section, full paint correction, and the 4-year Fusion Plus coating. Next in line for a paint correction is this Camaro. You can see on that back quarter panel, a lot of oxidation, a lot of holograms. The PPF guys did a full front clip on this thing yesterday, and it's now in waiting to have Mark polish out the entire vehicle and then do an 8-year Fusion Plus premium ceramic coating. In the tint bay is a vehicle from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This brand new Porsche Macan is in for XR 20% front tint to match the factory tint. Next up in the tint bay is this Veloster N. This is getting all the side windows, the back window, and the visor done. We're doing 20% tint on the side windows and the back window, along with a 5% visor. Next in line for a full wrap is this brand new RS6. This is getting a full stealth conversion. So all of the gray paint is getting stealth paint protection film, The black accents are getting Ultimate Plus, and then we are going to be tinting the side windows and the back window, which looks like it's already done. Side windows and back windows are tinted in 20%. In the PPF bay, we have a couple Teslas. First up is a Model 3. This is getting a track package plus. So it's a track package plus the A pillars, B pillars, wear and tear package, and a luggage kit. And behind the Model 3 is a Model Y. This one is getting a full body PPF wrap. Steve's working on this one. We're doing bumper to bumper 8mm paint protection film. We previously tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint, and it's going to be getting a coating the second half of this week. Up on the lift, Austin is concluding our Jeff Lutz project. Obviously, this is the Bel Air. Full custom paint protection film wrap. So doing some final touches on this right now. PPF should be done at some point today. We're going to throw a coating on this, a 1-year light coating, and get this thing ready for the drag strip. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. Here we have this R8 that came in for windshield protection film. Keep the window looking new. It's already installed. SVJ is nearing completion. Just missing a couple little panels on it, windshield protection, and ceramic coating, and she's ready to go home. This new 2025 Model 3 is halfway through getting our stealth wrap. You can see most of the car is already stealth.